Woodshop. My name is Mr. Rodaway, and it's 2026, a new year. What's it going to bring forward to us? It is going to bring some awesome projects, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so you get to know firsthand when we do all these new projects. We have added lasers to our curriculum, so the kids are now engraving and cutting things with the lasers. One of our goals at the Warrior Woodshop is to utilize our shop time by letting the kids see the stuff before they get to the shop so they can actually use their shop class time for shop class projects. Well, we also have a bunch of beginners, so we do a lot of project videos with step-by-step instructions. They've got them written on paper, but a lot of times seeing what is written is very, very helpful in today's world of visual learners. So there's a lot of project videos on our channel. We are talking about adding a home maintenance and repair class. That means you're going to see a lot more field trip videos, like the ones we've already done. How to do a ceiling fan, how to do a GFI outlet. So anytime that we have an opportunity to go out and help someone, we're going to have the cameras rolling so that way we can turn it into a video for you and our home maintenance class. So definitely hit that bell notification, that subscribe button, because yes, what we do is primarily a school created curriculum videos, our safety videos, our play, pause, do project videos, our how-to videos. Those are for the students, but what most people aren't aware of is Google for Classroom, or Classroom for Google, however you want to say it, has a partnership with YouTube where they don't throw the ads on there, they don't throw the subscriptions on there, so those views don't count. We need help from people like you out there in the Warrior Woodshop YouTube land that are supporting our program to help it grow. We hit 4,000 subscribers this year. So thank you to all those that have clicked that subscribe button. And if you haven't done so already, please do so. Will you be one of those that clicks that subscribe button? Because again, watch out for those new and upcoming videos, trailer videos, home repair videos, Warrior Woodshop workshop videos, defending our state champ videos. Yes, we are 2025 Industrial Arts state champs from last spring. So if you haven't done so already, hit those buttons, hit those subscribes button, hit that bell notification so that way when we do post all this stuff, you get notified. Keep an eye out, because when we start adding home maintenance, are we just a Warrior Woodshop? We might even think about a name change to a Warrior Workshop. When you're done watching and hit that subscribe button, go out and make some sawdust.